Aloha everybody. Today we are back in Maui. I'm with my little homie.
Yeah.
And you might have recognized her from the last video I posted, but she did so bad I had to redo it again.
Talk so much shit.
I do not talk shit. Family safe, woman. Sorry, families. Today we are in Maui. We're going to show you how to work with a semi-experienced model. We're going to focus on model interaction. So she moves really well. And so this is kind of more on tweaking existing poses, because as she's moving around, she can't see everything. So it's really up to us to get the best angles, the best flattering angles, yeah. Have you ever had a shot taken where the angle was not your best?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I've seen some of those shots. I like these shadows here. I like that. I like this. You like all that? We can get you in the water?
Yeah.
Right in there.
In these rocks?
Yeah, you see where that log is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry about your feet. It might suck a little bit. All right guys, so settings. Today we're using the Canon EOS R. We're gonna use the 50mm 1.2. And we're gonna have my buddy Chris over here. Gonna spray her down with some greasy stuff. All right guys, while she's being greased up, a couple pointers. I do not grease up people mainly because I don't want to get my camera dirty. If there's a significant other or someone else like Chris to hang out, I am totally fine with a significant other being at the shoots for this reason here. You know, if they're greasing up the model, it ensures that my gear is safe, and then also allows the person that's joining to feel like they're a part of the shoot. You know, from a business standpoint, not only are you interacting with the model, you know, because you're wanting to try to get into the model circle of influence, it also allows you to get inside the assistant's circle of influence. Because if the person helping out, whether it be a boyfriend, husband, or whoever, they've got friends too. They've got social media too. They're probably going to be doing behind the scenes footage, which is going to be behind the scenes stuff to help promote you as a business person.
I go hard, I never stop. Got Versace on my flops. You see diamonds when I talk.
All right, Chica, you ready? I'm gonna take a quick test shot. Hang tight. Let me see you rotate body to the right. I wanna have that sun hit that left leg. You see the chin up a little bit? Love you looking down, yeah. Let's go a little bit taller. Good, I want your left leg. Bring the left leg to me a tiny bit more.
This money bring a whole lot of hoes. It's suicidal every time I lift my doors.
I want your eyes looking right over my right shoulder. Just like that, perfect. There. Ow, that hurts. Girl, don't let me fall. Right there, just like that. Love the shoulder. The only thing I want to tweak, your right foot is behind that rock. I want to bring your right foot out a little more. All right guys, I don't know if you can see this right here, but her far leg was right behind the rock, so that shadow from that sun was hitting it, so it made it look like she had a stump. So I had her move a little bit further away, and I'm going to try to get her up on her toes. Better. Good. Little bit taller. Love that. Love the expression. Let's have you rotate facing me. Let's have you sit. Sit with your knees towards me. Oh no, I like that. Yeah. Point the toes. Good. Bring that right knee up a little more. Good. There. I don't like that. I want to have you lean this way. Let's keep moving. Yeah. Let's do that. So here you have a lot of trees behind her, so I want to make sure that the tree's not growing out of her head. That's one of those things that you hear a ton. You can go for a different perspective. There. Good. There. What I'm trying to eliminate is that hard shadow that's being cast by the calf. And if you look at her feet, see how they're all kind of funky? Her feet are funky anyway, but look at the angles, kind of going away from you. So it's your foot going like this. Want to straighten it out a little bit, because when you're looking at posing, trust your eye. Knees to toes should be in a straight line. Better. Good. Look at her small toes kind of curling in. I don't like feet. I don't like her feet. That's much more better. All right, nice relaxed foot, then points. Good. Yeah. When you're pointing, try not to curl. Keep the toes relaxed and then just bring the foot down. Better. Good, there. Right there, good. Ooh, yeah. When you have your chin up, stretch. Left hand up to the hair. Good, go back to the elbow, your right hand. Right elbow. Yeah. Lean back. There. There. Love that. Good. All right, don't move. Stay there. All right, guys, so I have one shot using the sun. I'm gonna go on the other side. I'm gonna use the sun as a rim. Let's see how it looks. Right there, hold it. Good. Ooh, love the hair. Like that, yeah, yeah. Good. The only tweak I wanna do, your feet, your knees are aimed away. I don't know if you guys can see this angle from right here. So when she's sitting on the log, if I go more left, my feet are gonna get wet and cold. And now I'm kind of not strong with the coldness. So I'm gonna make her move. On your knees, right now they're pointing away from me. Bring your knees this way a tiny bit. Better, yeah, like that. So that way your legs are more side to side. Like that, beautiful, just like that. Hold it, hold it, hold it, don't move. Yeah. There, there. Big stretch. Good, bring the eyes back to me. That. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little recap. I'm gonna be honest with you, the shots, natural light, to me, natural light is, it's boring, you know? I don't like it. Nah, to be honest, like she did great. Like I like the shots. The shots are gonna be fine. But to me, natural light is just, there are certain photographers that crush natural light. I am not one of those guys. I need to have lighting to make the pictures pop a little bit. But this lesson is a little bit more about how you interact with a model. So if you're listening, I've said a few times, beautiful, I love it. I might have said gorgeous once or twice, I don't recall. But the question I have for you as a model is, did you ever interpret when I say beautiful, as in I was staring at you in a lustful manner?
No, I think it's more about the shot itself than actually like, oh.
Because if you look at it, it's definitely not her.
Not
you
me.
know? The image. I mean, I hate natural light, but the natural light was very nice. So it's beautiful lighting. But there's a way when you speak to a model, the tone is really, really important. So if you are speaking to somebody like they are a delicious piece of carne asada, it's going to make the model feel kind of weird. You know what I mean? And it's just going to make the environment kind of odd.
It's definitely hard to feel comfortable. You got to be really careful with what you say.
It's tough to be a model because she is in minimal clothing in a public space, and she's constantly being critiqued by the camera, by the photographer, by people walking around. It's a lot that goes into it. I mean, modeling is, I would say, harder than being a photographer, because a photographer, you can mess up. Click, 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 click. All the shots can be crap, and you can delete them. But a model, you're there, you're trying to hold it in, you're trying to pose and keep the expression. You know, you might have seen like one or two expressions on her side that looked pretty decent. The other ones were not that.
Such a piece of shit.
That's offensive. But be very careful with how you interact. And so you need to be able to practice how to say polite things, how to say certain words without it sounding creepy. If you learn something new, probably not about the lighting. If you learned a posing thing or something like that, please consider clicking on that like button, subscribe, click on that notification bell so you get updates every time a new video goes up, which is about about once a week, twice a week. How come you look like that?
I don't know.
Oh. Tell them what the next step is. Tell them. Comment down below.
Comment down below, click the subscribe button, give us a like. Come on, you guys. Please.
Notification bell.
Oh, notification bell.
Share with your friends.
And your friends.
No, share with your friends.
Oh, share with your friends. I'm only half present right now. I'm only half here right now.
Mm-hmm. Hey, thank you for sticking out. Thanks for hanging out. And we will see you in the next video. Good job. Nah, you didn't do it like it. Just kidding.